Okay, so guys, I started by sanding down to bare metal, aiding it out, feather edging it, make it all nice. This is previous work. I've never. This is my car, but my auntie was the one in a car wreck. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm heating up the metal. I'm not really supposed to be doing this, but it's not such a big of a dent, so I don't think it will matter that much. I'm trying to just get this area right here. It's a low spot. Okay, so what I did, I pushed it out a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on the video. It's more straight now. It's way better than before. So I think I can 80 it now, go over again, and then just put some body filler on it and go from there. Okay, so I got the body filler right here, this cheap one right here, and you need a paint stick to mix it up, and the hardener, and then I have to clean this up to use it. 80 the metal, it's ready to put body filler. So what you're gonna want to do is just mix it up real quick. Mix it up real good. Mix it in. Okay, whatever. And then for the hardener, you need to mix it as well. Okay. It's hard with one hand, but you get the point. You want to do this fast, mix it up real quick so it doesn't dry up on you, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I've laid down my body filler. Not perfect, but good enough. Just letting it dry now, and then after this I'm gonna hit it with 180 it, feather edge everything, and then lay some primer. Okay, I'm back with the aftermath, but as you can see, there's pinholes and stuff still. I can sand those out, but I'm just gonna put putty over it. I don't want to sand too much. It's just putty. Harder, and then I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so I laid a very thin layer of putty over it to cover all the pinholes, and it doesn't have to be 100% because the primer also fills up the pinholes and stuff. Plus, on top of that, I'm using a single stage, which will also fill pinholes and stuff. Okay guys, so I taped up the corners, back taped the corners. front edges, so it's not a straight line. I covered everything getaway. I just spray some primer on here. It's been like 3 or 4 layers already, just to get everything covered up.